Magic Drawings! Hello, my little friends. Today we are going to draw a happy and healthy breakfast together. Let's draw step by step and learn why each food is good for our bodies. Let's start by drawing a big round frying pan. Now inside the pan, draw 1 egg. Next, draw a bowl. Inside the bowl, draw oats with fruit on top. Now let's draw a plate. On the plate, draw 2 slices of bread with a green topping. This green spread is avocado. Now draw a glass of juice with ice cubes. Let's draw an apple and some grapes. Finally, draw a few nuts. It's coloring time! Eggs help our muscles grow strong and give us energy to play and learn. Oats help our tummy feel full, and fruits give us vitamins to stay healthy. Fresh juice helps keep our body hydrated and gives us vitamin C. Bread gives us energy, and avocado is good for our heart and brain. help protect us from getting sick and keep our skin healthy. Nuts help our brain think better and give us good energy. Wow, look at our beautiful breakfast drawing. Eating a healthy breakfast helps us feel happy, strong, and ready for school. Thank you for drawing with me today. Don't forget to eat healthy and have fun. Bye-bye. See you next time.